যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে। যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে। তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে। তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে। যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে। যদি কেউ কথা না কয় ওরে ওরে ও অভাগা, কেউ কথা না কয়। যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায়ে সবাই করে ভয়। যদি সবাই থাকে মুখ ফিরায়ে সবাই করে ভয়। তবে পরাণ খুলে ও তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে। ও তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে। যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে।
Mustard oil is used. All sweets are made in cow milk. In non-veg cuisine, fish is the staple food in West Bengal, as it is located eastern coast of India. Example: mochar, manto, dam chingri, shorchli. This is a famous traditional West Bengal thali. It's an authentic Bengali luchi and aloo dum. Is made from maida and aloo dum is made from baby potato. The details of this recipe is given in this recipe book. This is a bengal bhaja. It is a fried mutton, marinated in various spices and later cooked. It is fried in mustard oil. Dal and steamed rice. In West Bengal thali, masoor dal is used. Tadka is given with the kalo jeera, chilies and bay leaves. And this dal is served with the plain steamed rice, papad, piece of lemon and onion. This is fried. This is a special traditional Rajput dish prepared during festivals and celebrations. It is made with basmati rice and cow milk and garnished with dry fruits. Now welcome to the streets of West Bengal. This is a putka. It's a famous West Bengal street food. It is best pani puri in India. It is combination of small puris and served with spiced soda. This is a dal puri. Dal puri consists of covered rice, few vegetables, green chilies, tamarind chutney, and fried peanuts. These food items